Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning Project Lifecycle and Methodologies Deep Dive. Module Goal: equip learners with the strategic knowledge to choose, justify, and implement the right methodology and life cycle model for any project, across sectors and complexity levels. Why this class matters. Project methodologies are not one-size-fits-all. Many failed projects can be traced to one root issue: misapplied methodology or poor phase management. To be a successful project manager, you must understand the life cycle stages intimately. Match methodologies to context, not trends. Adapt dynamically when conditions change. This class delivers the tools and frameworks to do just that. Understanding the project life cycle, 5 core phases. Every project, regardless of methodology, follows a structured life cycle. Phase. Purpose. Deliverables. 1. Initiation. Define need, scope, and feasibility. Project charter, high-level business case. 2. Planning. Detail execution strategy and risk control. Project plan, WBS, schedule, budget. 3. Execution. Coordinate resources and perform work. Deliverables, team reports, issue logs. 4. Monitoring and control. Ensure performance aligns with plan. KPIs, change requests, earned value reports. 5. Closure. Wrap up, document, and analyze. Final report, lessons learned, sign off. Why it matters. Each phase has different stakeholders, risks, and success criteria. You can't manage what you don't anticipate. Methodology Deep Dive, Comparative Analysis. Let's explore 4 dominant methodologies, each with different applications and mindsets. 1. Waterfall, traditional/predictive model. What it is. A linear, sequential approach where each phase must be completed before the next begins. Best 4. Construction. Manufacturing. Government or military projects. Regulated environments, e.g., pharma, aerospace. Why and when to use. Requirements are fixed and well understood. You need predictability and documentation. Compliance-heavy sectors. Risks. Inflexibility if changes arise late. Poor fit for exploratory or user-driven projects. 2. Agile, iterative/adaptive model. What it is. A flexible, iterative model that emphasizes collaboration, feedback, and rapid iterations. Best 4. Software development. Marketing campaigns. Startups or innovation projects. Why and when to use. You're building something new or undefined. Stakeholder input is ongoing. Speed and learning matter more than perfection. Key practices. Scrum, Kanban, stand-ups, sprints. MVPs and continuous delivery. Risks. Scope creep if poorly managed. Harder to estimate final cost/time early on. 3. Hybrid models. What it is. Combines structure from Waterfall with flexibility from Agile. Best 4. Enterprise projects requiring predictability but facing change. Cross-functional teams. Client-driven but regulated industries. How it works. Use Waterfall for overarching phases, e.g., compliance, architecture. Use Agile for development, testing, and user feedback. Why it's powerful. Balances governance with adaptability. 4. Lean Six Sigma. What it is. A methodology focused on eliminating waste and improving process quality using data-driven techniques. Best 4. Manufacturing. Healthcare. Operations-focused or quality-critical projects. Tools include DMAIC framework. Fishbone diagrams. Value stream mapping. Control charts. Why and when to use. You aim for efficiency, precision, and defect reduction. You're optimizing a repeatable process. Risks. Overfocus on process metrics can neglect innovation or team dynamics. Interactive diagram, side-by-side comparison. Feature. Waterfall. Agile. Hybrid. Lean Six Sigma. Structure. Linear. Iterative. Mixed. Cyclical, dynamically. Flexibility. Low. High. Medium. Medium. Stakeholder input. Front-loaded. Ongoing. Phased. Based on process data. Best for. Predictable builds. Rapid development. Cross-sector complexity. Process optimization. Risk profile. Late discovery. Scope creep. Requires PM skill. Data overload. PM role. Coordinator. Facilitator. Negotiator. Analyst. Choosing the right methodology, key decision criteria. Clarity of requirements, are goals clearly defined at the start? Stakeholder involvement, will clients/users provide ongoing feedback? Change expectation, is change likely or unlikely? Regulatory pressure, are there audit/compliance demands? Team skill and culture, do your people thrive in structure or autonomy? Decision matrix template provided. Score your project using weighted factors to choose a fitting methodology. Application exercise. Scenario. You've been hired to manage 3 different projects. A. Launching a mobile app for a startup. B. Upgrading electrical systems in a hospital. C. Optimizing logistics workflow for a national courier service. Task. Recommend a project methodology for each. Justify your choice using 3 core criteria. Identify potential challenges in applying that method. 7. Practical templates and tools, downloadables. Life cycle planning worksheet. Project methodology decision tree. Waterfall versus Agile cheat sheet. Agile sprint planning template. dynamically tracking sheet. Interactive methodology comparison chart for Notion/Google Docs. Assignments for Class 2. 1. Reflection prompt. Think of a project you've worked on, personal, academic, or professional. Was the right methodology used? What would you do differently now? 2. Practice task. Choose a current project idea. Map its life cycle stages. Recommend a methodology and justify it. Identify risk mitigation strategies based on that method. By the end of this class, you should be able to define the 5 phases of the project lifecycle with key deliverables. Differentiate between Agile, Waterfall, Hybrid, and Lean Six Sigma. Choose and justify the right methodology based on project context. Adapt your management style based on methodology dynamics. Avoid common mismatches between method and project type. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.